Hi everyone, my name is Veda. I am studying UKG.
Asia countries and capital cities. Mongolia,
Ulaanbaatar,
Russia,
Moscow,
China,
Beijing,
North Korea,
Pyongyang,
South Korea,
Seoul,
Japan,
Tokyo,
Taiwan,
Taipei,
Philippines,
Manila,
Brunei,
Bandar Seri Begawan,
Malaysia,
Kuala Lumpur,
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
Australia,
Canberra,
New Zealand,
Wellington,
East Timor,
Delhi,
Cambodia,
Phnom Penh,
Thailand,
Bangkok,
Vietnam,
Hanoi,
Laos,
Vientiane,
Myanmar,
Naypyidaw,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
Nepal,
Kathmandu,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
India,
New Delhi,
Sri Lanka,
Colombo,
Maldives,
Malé,
Papua New Guinea,
Port Moresby,
India,
New Delhi,
Tibet,
Lhasa,
Pakistan,
Islamabad,
Afghanistan,
Kabul,
Iraq,
Baghdad,
Iran,
Tehran,
Yemen,
Sana'a,
Oman,
Muscat,
Saudi Arabia,
Riyadh,
United Arab Emirates,
Abu Dhabi,
Qatar,
Doha,
Bahrain,
Manama,
Kuwait,
Kuwait City,
Israel,
Jerusalem,
Palestine,
Ramallah,
Jordan,
Amman,
Lebanon,
Beirut,
Syria,
Damascus,
Turkey,
Ankara,
Georgia,
Tbilisi,
Armenia,
Yerevan,
Azerbaijan,
Baku,
Kazakhstan,
Astana,
Kyrgyzstan,
Bishkek,
Turkmenistan,
Ashgabat,
Tajikistan,
Dushanbe,
Uzbekistan.
Tashkent. Thank you one and all.